Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing about reflection of light. This is a chapter of class 10 light wherein talks about reflection and refraction. So today we will be talking about reflection of light. So when I state about reflection of light, what is reflection of light? Reflection of light simply means bouncing back of light. Bouncing back of light. So, when I talk about bouncing back of light, what does it mean? If I have a surface, any surface, light rays will fall onto the surface and will reflect. That is how basically we see an object. And whenever I'm talking about a mirror or a shiny surface, I just put some lines like this and on the surface where it is being painted or coated. All right. So that is the surface that we have. All right. Now the light rays which is falling on the mirror, the light rays which is falling on the mirror, that is known as incident ray. Okay, that is known as incident ray, and the one which is reflecting out, that is known as reflected ray. Okay, so this is incident ray and this is reflected ray, and this is a plane. So whichever line which is perpendicular to that uh, of the plane, that is what I call it as normal. So now there are various laws of reflection. So what are the various laws of reflection I have? So laws of reflection. So what are the various laws of reflection I have? Point number 1. Angle of incidence. This angle that the incident ray makes with the axis. This is angle of incidence and this is angle of reflection. So angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. And what is the second? Incident ray, reflected ray and normal, they will lie on the same plane. Right? So all of them will lie on the same plane. All right. So these are the two laws of reflection. We have already studied about plane mirror. Okay. So not only, so what, there are different kinds of mirror that we have. So what are the different kinds of mirror that we have? If I talk about mirrors, I have, first we know there is a plane mirror and the other is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is the mirrors which are spherical in nature. They have got a curved surface. So that is a spherical mirror. Like if you see a spoon. So that is a spherical mirror that we have. The spherical mirror can be of two types. One is concave mirror and one is convex mirror. Again, I'm taking the example of a spoon. So you will have a spoon. So this is the spoon that you have. So the inner surface of this spoon, this is a concave mirror. Whereas the outer surface or the back side of the spoon is a convex mirror. All right. So if I tell you from the spherical side, a spherical mirror is just, if you see, for a concave mirror, I'm having a circle and it is being coated, or there's a sphere and it is being coated on the outer side. Right? So if I break open this, what happens? It comes in some portion like this. Right? So light rays will fall, it will reflect. Light rays will fall, it will reflect. So you see reflected rays, they are coming together. So this is known as convergent mirror. This is known as convergent mirror. Whereas what happens in convex lens? So convex mirror. So in a convex mirror, it is being painted on the inner surface. So the outer surface you cross open. So what you will have? You will have the outer surface of the mirror. So you will have the outer surface of the mirror. Now what will happen? All the rays will come here, will reflect back, because this is the tangent. So it will reflect back. So again it comes, it reflects back. So this is known as it is moving away, diverging. Hence it is known as divergent mirror. So these are the two kinds of spherical mirror we have. One is concave mirror and one is convex mirror. Now we will go ahead. You can just take a spoon and see your face in that spoon. You will find that on the back side of the spoon, if this is the back side of the spoon, so in the back side of the spoon you can see your mirror, your image to be very thin, and you can see your image to be erect. But if you see the front side of the image, you will see yourself upside down, and it will be a very big image. It will be very blurred. It will be very big image. So that is the spoon. So this is the front side. This is the back side of the spoon. So it will be like this. So now will once come ahead. I'll show you a picture regarding the same, and we will go into the image formation after this. So if you see this image, this is what you see is the inner side, and this is the outer side. Okay, so these are the two things, the two images that you would see. All right, so now coming into the drawing of the images formed by the spherical mirrors. Okay,